G'day everyone, I'm here with Steve at Victoria Park, but it's not the Victoria Park in Melbourne, which is Collingwood Football Club's old ground. This is Victoria Park in Ballarat, which is about 110 kilometres outside of Melbourne. We just came for a drive. As you can see, it's a bit overcast, gloomy overhead. But it's a nice little park here. We thought we'll just pull over and come for a bit of a walk. As you can see, Steve is exploring and doing his business. There's a football oval behind those trees, and there's a lake beyond there, but we're not going to go to that lake. Lake Wendouree, I think it is. And it looks like a skating area there. That's the major road heading out of Ballarat towards Adelaide, which we're not going to go all the way to Adelaide. We thought we'd just come for a bit of a drive somewhere different. Steve's been all around Victoria, pretty much all around Melbourne. Here you go, got barbecue facilities, park benches. There you go. I think Steve wants to go on the pump track. Come on, let's go on the track, Steve. No, no. Steve thinks he's a skateboard. No, doesn't like it. Anyway, we'll continue this video shortly in another spot. Say hello, Steve. I don't want you to pee. I said say hello. Say hello, Steve. No, not interested. Walking along here. We'd like to give a shout out to ProCut, John at ProCut, and Donovan, his dog Donovan. So they gave us a shout out video the other day. Steve, he's too busy. Come on, Steve, give him a shout out, Steve. Give him a shout out. Come on, you gonna give him a shout out? No, no, he's too interested trying to look down a hole. Something's gonna jump out and bite him, but anyway, thanks very much, John from ProCut. And any of my subscribers watching this, they can check up his channel at ProCut and subscribe to his channel. It's pretty cool.